I would be so grateful. Perhaps I would be so happy or whatever that you will think about that. So what would be your advice to them
Mm.
na who aspires to at least accomplish what you have right now?
Okay. Number 1, take risk. Ah, kasi after graduation ng nursing, puwede naman akong medyo medyo risky 'pag mag-shift ng career.
Mm.
And one of the good thing about me is medyo risk taker ako.
Mm.
Parang nag-shift ako into from nursing to career to real estate. And I'm also risk taker when it comes to investments
Mm.
and when it comes sa mga properties.
Mm. So given that, have you lose money?
Oo naman,
Mm.
oo naman. Dami na. There are times kasi na you'll decide if you stay on that comfort zone na
Mm.
or you want more.
Mm.
And there's nothing against kapag gusto mo mag-stay sa pagiging comfort zone mo.
Mm.
But yung 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 development or yung pag-success o yung para sumakses ka na lang
Sumakses
sa
ka.
term sa social media, no?
Oh.
Is nandoon outside your comfort zone.
Mm.
Kailangan mong